Someone had an extra fun here. Well, I just got off work and today is absolutely amazing. It's around 75, 80 degrees and it's cooling down because the sun is going down. And I told myself I have an hour and a half to kill. Why not go ahead and drive the Challenger around and take some photos and some videos while I have her back before it goes back to the shop. I owe you guys an explanation coming out at the end of the video. I'll tell you guys what's going on, but for now the concept that I have for this video is to put you guys on a GoPro. I already have a POV drive, I know. I already have a behind the scene of photo shoots and video shoots, I know. But I told myself, what if we mix these two together and have a POV of kind of like behind the scenes of both driving the car, taking photos and videos of the Challenger. So with that being said, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet another video. Let's hop on the GoPro together, go ahead for a drive, go to my first location to take the photos and videos, and also before the sun goes down I'm gonna head to my sunset spot to end this vlog and also take some photos at the sunset spot because I am running out of the photos of this car and today is pretty clean, so I'm gonna use that opportunity to create some content both for Instagram and also YouTube. So hop on the GoPro and let's start the car up together. Also, someone had an extra fun here someday somehow. Kind of want to put the drone up in the air and take a photo, an aerial photo. Maybe I'll do that first. '96 Porsche. Need photos of the back end now. This is a beautiful place. I like this location. That sunset's gonna be beautiful too. We got 20 minutes to get to sunset. 20 minutes to get to the sunset. No, pretty enough. Alright, lights for the back on. Neutral. All the way in. Let's go. Ouch. My head. Oh, the sun's coming out. It will be nice. Ooh, look at that. Let's go all the way to 17 and get it like this. Let's get from the side too. That's good. It's good. Now let's go catch the sunset together. I hope this is not too loud. That looks good. You'll do this 1,000 times. Alright, for the time. Come here, camera. Ooh, guys, look at this. Look at this. Oof. Something sounded good down there, but beautiful, beautiful. All right, back to the camera. Well, I am back to the office, and the sun is basically down. And as you saw, I went to my sunset spot to take photos, and I did take some photos, but I had to leave because there was another car ready to take photos, and wanted to be a nice guy, let the other car go and position before the sun actually sets to take some photos. And now I have to address the elephant in the room, which is the Challenger. As I said, the car is back for a few weeks and it's going back to the shop because they still have to fix the exhaust. The exhaust is not in a correct position. Even though they had the car in the shop for 3 weeks, they still didn't fix a damn exhaust. And the explanation was that we cannot fix it because someone has welded your exhaust. Well, I bet you're wrong, because what is wrong with the exhaust is that when the diff fell on the exhaust, it bent all the OEM, the company, the factory brackets that came with the car, and all they had to do was unscrew the brackets, flatten them out, and then screw it back together, and they could actually get this exhaust to look good. And with that explanation, it brings me to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this new form of video. If you did, make sure to let me know in the comment section down below so I can make more videos like this, and also take the car more into the suburbs and more of the twisty roads, because this was basically an in-town drive and not much of a good, you know, high revving drive, as you may say. And if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't already. My birthday, by the release of this video, is basically 3 days away, and hitting a 500 subscriber would be perfect as a birthday gift, even though I'm not sure if it's gonna happen, but who knows, maybe it happens. And with that all being said, always stay amazing. Until see you guys in the next one. Peace. Tell me you go an extra mile for YouTube videos without telling me you go an extra mile for YouTube videos.